Hey everyone, this is Mr. Creed. I know I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about mean absolute deviation. So this is going to be a long video, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So one way that makes sense to me in terms of understanding what mean absolute deviation is a term above the definition, the term, excuse me. I think of it as being the average distance from the average. Now, one thing you probably noticed is that I have said the average twice. Well, that means we're going to find the average twice in this problem below. So let's read the problem below. So we're talking about movie sales, specifically ticket sales. So a theater can seat up to 150 people. Below is a table that shows 1 week of ticket sales. Determine the mean absolute deviation for this week's ticket sales. Okay, so on Sunday we sold 125 tickets, on Monday 112, Tuesday 120, Wednesday 101, Thursday 134, Friday 148, and then Saturday we appear to have sold out to be 150 seats. Tickets that were sold. So I have went ahead and drew a table, and at this time I want you to pause this video. I want you to copy down this table here so that way you can follow along. So I have written these ticket sales in order, okay, from the time of Sunday all the way to Saturday. All right. So let's talk about what we gotta do first. Okay. So the first thing I gotta do is find the average, the mean of the amount of tickets that were sold in this 1 week span. So to find the mean, we're going to add up all the number of ticket sales sold during that week and divide by the number of days, which is going to be 7. So let's go ahead and add that up. 125 plus 112. I'll tell you what, I'll show you my calculator here. Plus 120 plus 101 plus 134 plus 148 and then plus 150. So they have sold a total of 890 tickets. 890 tickets were sold over 7 days. So let's figure out how many tickets they sold per day. Okay, so we're going to take 890 and divide it by 7. So we get approximately 127 tickets sold. And I am going to approximate that. Okay, so the average is going to be 127 tickets. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a whole number. So the mean was 127. Okay. Now we have to find the distance, or in this case, the absolute distance from the mean for every day of this week. So we're going to find the absolute value of the difference between the ticket sales and the mean of ticket sales sold that week. Okay. So in this case, what I will do here, I'm just going to take the larger number, subtract the smaller number. In this case, it'd be 127 subtract 125. Well, I know that distance away from that is going to be 2. Okay, 2 tickets. So I got now 127 subtract 112. That's going to be 15 tickets. 127 subtract 120 is going to be 7 tickets. 127 subtract 101. 101 is going to be 26 tickets. 134, again, the larger number, subtract the smaller number. 134 subtract 127 is going to be 7 tickets. 148 subtract 127 is going to be 21 tickets. And then 150 subtract 127 is going to be 23 tickets. Now, I have skipped a step that you might often see in other videos because I did not see the point in taking the negative distance and then again flipping that negative distance into a positive, or you find the absolute value of that negative distance. So it's best in this case to go ahead and find out the absolute value, or in this case, the absolute distance from the mean, taking the larger number, subtracting the smaller number. The larger number could be the mean, or the larger number could be the ticket sales. Okay. Either way you do it is fine. You come out to the same answer. I promise you that. All right. So now I have found the average so far. I have found one average. or this average here. Okay. Now what I gotta do, I have to find the average of the distances that each of these ticket sales were from the mean. So I gotta add up these numbers here and divide by the number of days, 7, to determine what my MAD is going to be. Okay. So let's add these up. So I got 2, put it over here. 2 plus 15 plus 7 plus 26 plus 7 plus 21 plus 23. We get 101 tickets is the total distance that each of these were from the mean. That's the average, as the total distance. So 101 tickets divided by 7 days to determine the average distance from the average. So 101 divided by 7 is going to give us approximately, and again, I'm doing an approximation here just for the sake of this video. So approximately 14 tickets per day was the average amount of tickets sold that is deviating away from the mean. So technically this right here is our mean absolute deviation, or our MAD. Okay, so let's describe what this is. And I'm going to bring this down just a little bit. So what this means, on average, this movie theater will sell either 14 tickets more than the mean, or 14 tickets less than the mean. That is one description. That's one way you can describe it. Okay. Or another way you can describe it. Okay. This movie theater okay, and it's probably a small movie theater. Most movie theaters now will have 6 showings, and they probably all have 150 seats in those showings. So, I'm talking about a very small theater here. Okay, so this movie theater will sell a will sell tickets for this movie in the range of 14 less, which is 113, in the range of 113 to 100, and then 14 more than 127, which is 141. So this movie theater will sell tickets for this movie theater in the range of 113 to 141 tickets. So they may sell between 113 and 141 tickets based on the information that we have seen or that we have collected for this movie. They have sold this much these days, but here determines the average distance from the amount that they will sell on average. Okay, based on this data here. So what they could do, the movie theater could determine if they want to keep this movie for another week, or get rid of this movie and find another hot movie that come out and see if they can make more money that way. That's how they can use this information here. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, please email me. My email is on the Canvas page. If you were just visiting this page, refer to your teacher. If you're a student, if you're here to enjoy it, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thank you.